welcome, Impactors. This is the first ever interview outside of the US, and I'm more than honored to have Marc Alain Boucicault, who is the excellent director of H Fund, like many names, many titles. You also is the co-founder of the group ECHO. Used to be the coordinator of Young One Young World that happened last year in Canada, I believe. So we're going to talk about all these things. You did mention that you went to the One Young World. And tell me, how is the experience? Because I saw some of the videos. Every country is with their like young people, vibrant, and leaders, the head of state, the leaders in the industry. Almost all of them were there. How's the experience? And then also, what was your role as a coordinator?
One Young World is an amazing platform, and I'm saying this using the credit that I've had from participating in many other youth networks. The beauty of the way One Young World is shaped is they combine different type of leaders. They bring in scientific leaders, they bring in community leaders, they bring in entrepreneurs. It creates a mix of people that is simply amazing. At One Young World, I'm really saying this for any Haitian who would really want to be part of this. It's challenging. It's challenging because when you listen to the young people and what they've been doing in their lives, you think you are something. But when you get there, you realize that there's so many other gifted young people that are doing incredibly amazing things around the world. And that brings in wisdom. And that encourages you of doing more. Because even if your country may think that you are probably one of the most gifted and in the country, but when you get out there, you realize, no, the work is not over. There's much more to be done. But at the same time, it teaches you a lesson. Because when the conference is over, you go and have a drink with them. You go and talk with them. And, they can be your roommates. They can be friends. They become longtime friends. But you realize as well, they're human, just like you. So no matter how big someone goes in life, there's still a human brain behind it with their insecurities, with their doubts, with their engagement, with their passion. And that is common to everyone. So being part of One Young World has been an experience for me that really pushed me in taking a commitment and making it happen. I remember I was at One Young World, and actually my new project was a commitment that I took for myself at One Young World. So I'm looking forward to seeing that coming true because I wanted to push myself more and do more for myself and for my country. So before someone joins a network like that, it's really important for you to really know where you are in life and where you really want to go, because that platform can pushes you not only with ideas, but also when you want to do something, they are very supportive of your ideas. They can take over, they can blast it to their network. They have a network of about 8,000 young people like this. Imagine 8,000 people making a difference in 196 countries. That is powerful. And as a coordinating ambassador for my region, I was able to be in touch with all of them with a closer regional look. And now I can say I have a friend in every single country in the Caribbean and Central America. Drop me any of these countries tomorrow, I have a friend who can back me up, who can host me at their home, who can help me with my projects. So that was amazing. And we created a project which was about cricket, which is a sport that used to be played in the Caribbean. And we wanted to revive cricket because many countries don't know it, many countries are forgetting about it. So we wanted to create awareness, and we brought 8 countries together in the Caribbean and Central America. We had activities in each of our countries, and the platform supported that. And we used our power as leaders to kind of spread the information and spread the passion about one thing. And that was just a small project that we did together. So this year, we are looking forward into doing a caucus and doing a Caribbean focus group. It might be in Trinidad and Tobago at the end of this year, but we all gonna go and gather and discuss the issues of the region, CARICOM, youth entrepreneurship, leadership in the region. These are platforms that are going to give you a voice, a bigger spread in the future, and this is not something someone should take as a small thing.